Halo laser is a treatment designed to improve sun damage, fine lines, uneven texture, and overall signs of aging, enhancing overall skin clarity and rejuvenation. Using a hybrid fractional laser, it works by combining ablative and non-ablative wavelengths to target both the surface and deeper layers of the skin. It helps renew the skin surface while supporting collagen production beneath the skin. This treatment is ideal for individuals looking to address multiple skin concerns with a customizable resurfacing treatment. A series of 2 to 3 treatments is commonly recommended, spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, with continued improvement over several months. The treatment takes approximately 60 to 90 minutes and is generally comfortable with numbing and optional comfort measures, with customizable downtime depending on treatment intensity. Book a consultation to see if this treatment is right for you.